And they're off, c'est parti. Getting windy out there, 29 degrees, pretty hot, although more overcast now. But the wind is going to be a factor for these C2s, and probably especially for a C1 and even in a C4 for steering. BC on 3, Quebec on 4, Ontario on 5, Nova Scotia on 6, Alberta on 7. The 3 middle boats, Quebec, Ontario, and Nova Scotia, coming through the 200-meter buoys now, followed by Alberta in 7 and BC in 3. Mixed C2 500. They're in this for the medals. Nova Scotia and Quebec fighting it out with just over 25 meters to go, and it's a close one, but the edge is going to the crew from Nova Scotia, followed by Quebec, followed by Ontario, and in lane 7, coming in next, it's Alberta. On lane 3, from BC, Jeffrey Sun and A.B. Charlesworth. The paddlers from Quebec are Gondwana, Aaron Diabo, and Victor Hardy.
The boat control, please. 4, 5, 6, and 7.
From Ontario on lane 5, we had Idris Hunter and Zoe Wojcik. From Nova Scotia on 6, we had Andra Billard and Sloan McKenzie. From Alberta, Nikita Chudin and Aidan Windsor.